Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This was a trade that I sent on my free Telegram group. Also did a weekly outlook video on this as well. Now this was where price was at. We were looking for it to bounce off the support zone and head back up to make a higher high. Now when I sent the trade on Telegram and uploaded the video, the move already happened. So I mapped out the move at the top where you could have potentially gained 100 plus pips with a good risk to reward ratio if you got in time to catch that higher high. What I was looking at was the uptrend that price was currently in. You can see we have these two main higher highs, and I was looking for price to continue this trend to make another higher high. Now looking at the support level, I wanted to get in on the trend line. If price broke the trend line and didn't go back into the trend, then I would have closed out this position. However, we saw a nice respect to the support zone as well as the trend line. Got in on this second green candle, closed off at the last higher high. Just because it was a bit of an aggressive push, I didn't really want to hold it too long. Now if you're also looking at this move and you got in at this point, you would have got about 150 pips. However, you would have had to have a bit of a more aggressive risk. I sent this out on Telegram after uploading the weekly forecast. Price ended up making that higher high. There was potential to gain an extra 80 pips if you got in after the push to the upside as well. A quick tip to use when knowing when to take profit on the higher high: I usually measure the pips between the previous higher highs. So looking here, you can see we've had an average higher high on each of on average 50 pips. So you can aim to set your take profit for about 50 pips above the previous higher high. So if you head over to my channel looking at my previous weekly forecast and market recap, this is where I talked about entering this Usdcad trade. I said this was the only move that I had a strong bias on, so you can check out my other videos on trading as well. I also have videos on NFTs and different fantasy sports. So hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you in the next one.